the show today, Virat Kohli meets athletes from the Virat Kohli Foundation in the Star Sports studio.
Oh, teri. वो तो बहुत तेज है यार.
Answers all their queries.
What I probably could not get access to when I was growing up and playing cricket, we are able to do that for these kids, and hopefully, they'll use that ladder to climb heights that have never been seen. If you feel troubled, go ahead and ask someone to give you more clarity, but always and always make your own decision.
Talks about what keeps him real off the field.
The sense of reality and normalcy comes from home. So Anushka herself is a very grounded person, brings you back to reality, and I think that is very, very important in everyone's life.
And then takes up the tag team challenge.
True. Yes. Yes. I got one.
Hi guys, I'm at the Star Sports studio and I'm here for a very special show today. Today, you're going to see a bunch of very promising and budding athletes. So let's see who they are.
See who's here. Let's have a big round of applause for the man who's behind this vision. The one and only.
Good to see you. How are you? Bit of a surprise. Arey, aise mat karo, please.
So good to see you, Virat.
Very good to see everyone.
If you're a cricket fan, of course, you've seen the face and you want to stop. But the whole idea of this show is to turn you into a sports fan and celebrate achievement of so many young kids who are being sponsored by the Virat Kohli Foundation. The man himself, once again, a big round of applause for all these young achievers who are going to take India forward in so many different sports. Sure, you're not just a hero in cricket. You're looking at the sporting ecosystem, right? First and foremost, how satisfied do you feel looking at this young age group and for what they've already achieved?
Well, it's amazing. Firstly, it's good to see all of you. It's amazing to see, passion and drive being given a platform. And I feel grateful that I'm able to do that for these kids. Everyone has drive, everyone has passion, but people who have a little bit more in their respective disciplines, I think if they're given the right platform, they can bring firstly glory to themselves, but eventually national glory as well, which is the whole idea of the VKF Foundation and giving the platform that we have to these kids. So it makes me feel amazing that what I probably could not get access to when I was growing up and playing cricket, we are able to do that for these kids, and hopefully they'll use that ladder to climb heights that have never been seen before.
Was this always a dream? Even before you became someone who could afford this initiative, but was this always a dream for you?
It was. I mean, growing up, honestly, things have become way more hectic than when I was growing up, when I was 8, 9, 10, wanting to play cricket and trying out all the other sports. There was a sense of excitement when I used to enter a sports complex. Because I would see a tennis court, I would see a badminton court, I would see a table tennis indoor court, I would see squash courts and swimming classes going on, and there's a cricket field, there's a basketball. So it used to make me feel like, why can't everyone embrace and appreciate all the sports? So from then on, I felt like, we've been speaking about disparity in sport. And if people who are involved in a sport that's given most attention, they don't take steps of I would say including other sports and putting them to the same platform, it can never happen. So I thought sports culture shows how strong a nation you are, and it goes a long way in nation building as well.
When did this actually see the light of the day? When was it that, okay, now we're ready for Virat Kohli Foundation, and what was the vision in trying to put this together?
Look, we initiated the foundation in just at the end of 2013, going into 2014, but I think in the last couple of years, the foundation has really kicked on. That's when the program was introduced. In 2017 is when we launched it. And 2016 is when we seriously started thinking about planning all this, because I felt like that was the right time to do it. Because of the way things were going in cricket as well, I felt like a transition in 2016 onwards to another phase in my own career, in my own space. And then I felt like, okay, fine, you know, I know where I'm heading personally, but now it's time to contribute in a larger cause, and I can afford to do it because I have much more assurance of where I stand, and you know, I can provide more to other sports now. So it's actually, it makes you feel proud as a sports person, not as only as a cricketer. And if these people do well in different disciplines, then you know, we achieve that ultimate goal of a sports culture across the nation.
In a sport also like with boxing, it started slowly with the rise of, say, Vijender, Mary Kom and all of that, and then everyone was looking only at Bhiwani and all. But still, how tough was it initially?
Yes, this year I became senior. Before I was youth and junior, it was easier. But now I need support, and you are giving me that. It's very important to just focus on training and competitions, not on financial, that we need this. Now I'm getting everything of best quality.
That's amazing.
The parents can only support till a point, then it gets hard for them as well, and the child, obviously the player, takes on the pressure that, okay, my parents are doing this much. Then there's a lot of external pressures and all of that, so somewhere or the other it affects the game. So I think, so getting this support, I think it means a lot to, you know, follow your passion and just completely go for it without thinking about anything else.
In your busy schedule, how closely do you get to monitor and just sort of follow? I'm guessing you must have a team that keeps you updated.
They keep me updated on everyone's progress. You know, if something drastic happens where it's a breakthrough, like what happened with Sumit recently, Karman's been doing so well, Adil's been performing amazingly well. So, you know, these things, when they're highlighted at a global stage, then everyone gets to know. But if you see performances of people which is, you know, groundbreaking, then everyone takes notice of, you know, who's this athlete, or then they get to know that. Yeah, so it actually runs backwards. It's all about the athlete.
Quickly, we've got archers here, we've got paddlers, we've got shuttlers, we've got golfers, we've got tennis, we've got boxing. What would you have been good at if you didn't pick up cricket?
Well, some sort of racket sport, I guess. Maybe tennis. I like playing tennis, yes. Badminton, again, a lot of you know, reactions required. So that was actually my best friend when I was growing up was a state level badminton player. So I used to play a lot with him. So I used to like that sport, and table tennis as well.
आप हमें बताएं, विराट भैया को ये बताओ कि कितना अच्छा है अभी जो वीके फाउंडेशन है, उससे कितनी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है ट्रेनिंग में, न्यूट्रिशन में, ये सब?
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा विराट कोहली फाउंडेशन से।
कितने 7 इयर्स के हैं अभी? 8 के हैं आप?
हाँ।
That she is not even born when you started playing your international cricket.
मतलब she is 10 किलोमीटर वो भाग रही है 8 साल की उम्र में। मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं 8 साल की उम्र में भागना शुरू करता तो आज शायद 10 किलोमीटर पूरे होते।
मैं जब छोटी थी 3 साल की
अभी बड़ी भी नहीं हुई आप।
जब मैं 3 साल की थी तब मेरे को मेरे मामा वे कोच सरवण बुढ़िया ने मेरे को ट्रेनिंग शुरू करवा दी।
छोटी सी रेस हो जाए? हाँ, टेबल के आसपास।
हाँ, ठीक है।
कम, ठीक है?
पक्का?
हाँ, पक्का।
तो हरा देगी यार।
इधर से?
हाँ,
इधर वापस आना है।
हाँ, ठीक है।
3, 2, 1।
वो तेरी, वो तो बहुत तेज है यार।
It's probably the shortest race. Pooja, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Avani and I play golf. So my question is, do you take mental coaching, and if you do, how did it help your game?
You know, there will be different people in your life who will come and give you advice which will be good for you or bad for you. But it's important to realize what you want to gain out of that advice. And if you feel troubled, go ahead and ask someone to give you more clarity, but always and always make your own decision, because eventually, even if I give you a solution for a situation, inside your heart you will know whether it's good for me or not.
Hi, my name is Manush and I play table tennis. So I want to know that how do you use the aggression in the game?
I think in your own mind, creating competitions with an opposition player, even if you don't have to say anything or do anything, just in your body language. So you create battles within your own space mentally, and you tell yourself, okay, this guy is bowling well or this guy is playing well against me. I'm going to stand up to it, I'm going to beat him, and that, you know, really boosts your confidence levels as well. So I channelize it as and when, And if someone's being nasty or being unnecessary, then the natural reaction, obviously, that's defense mechanism comes out.
Hello sir, I am Arjun Bhati and I am a golfer. So my question is that what drives you or inspires you to do better every single day, even after a good or a bad tournament?
Well, what inspires me or what drives me is the opportunity to play at the level that I am. For me, even if I get injured, if I have workload, if I'm tired, it doesn't matter to me because I will give my life on the field. As long as the situation in life we are in, we are grateful for it and we are not complaining, I think that's where that enjoyment and that passion and that real joy of just being on the field for me comes.
सर, मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जब भी आप ग्राउंड में जाते हो तो सारा ग्राउंड गूंजने लगता है, यही मेरा कहना है आपसे.
अच्छा, थैंक यू. वो भी मेरे लिए बहुत एक गर्व की बात है.
और मैं आपके साथ एक दिन प्रैक्टिस भी करने चाहती हूँ.
क्या बात है, आपको पसंद है खेलना?
हाँ.
अच्छा, पक्का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
मैं क्रिकेट की भी बॉलिंग करती हूँ, फास्ट बॉलिंग.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
क्या बात है, पक्का आपके साथ प्रैक्टिस करूंगा मैं. ठीक है?
Thank you.
Okay.
Very nice, Pooja.
Hi, my name is Divya Dhayal. I'm an archer. Sir, I wanted to ask you that during a match, if the match is not going in your favor, what is your thought process?
At any stage of the game, even if you have given 100%, you still have 20-30% that you can take your game up. And you have to realize that moment and you have to take your intensity up. So now when I recognize that the game is not going in our favor, I take my intensity even higher. After that, if the opposition has outplayed you, respect to them. You shake their hand and you be at peace with that.
My question is, what are the responsibilities of being an Indian team captain?
When you go on the field, everyone knows what to do. Every person knows what the fielding positions are. They know, they've been playing that sport for ages. It's about when the team is down, you have to lead with your body language. You have to lead by example. That's what I believe in. So if I feel like we're going into hostile conditions, going into another country to play, it's important how I play, because I know that will set the right example for the team to head into that direction.
Hi, I'm Carmen Thandi. My question to you is, what do you do to take your mind off cricket, to relax after big pressure games?
So for me, coming back home, spending a lot of time with my wife, we go away a lot of the times, but just being at home as well, just the two of us. So I think it's, if you are willing to take responsibility and looking forward to every kind of thing in your life, whether it's being at home, whether it's playing on the field, then you're always going to be in a happy space.
Hi, I'm Sakshi. I'm a boxer. I want to know how you maintain what you think before a difficult match, how you reduce your pressure.
जब कोई important match होता है तो मैं उस मैच से पहले यही सोचता हूँ कि आज ये मैच मैं ही जिताने वाला हूँ. तो उससे क्या होता है कि आप सिचुएशन में जाने के लिए आप इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हो. तो आप ये नहीं सोचते हो कि मुश्किल होगा या नहीं होगा. आपको बस उस सिचुएशन में जाके ये डिसाइड कर लेना है कि आज मैं ही जिताने वाला हूँ मैच, या ये मैच मैं ही जीतने वाली हूँ.
Hello, so I'm Adil Bedi. With sports now being commercialized a lot, so many sponsors and so many TV ads. Like I also heard you said living your life is like living in a royal jail. So how do you maintain a level head with reality, like as a person?
It is very difficult. Not just for me and my wife together. People recognize both of us. The sense of reality and normalcy comes from home. So Anushka herself is a very grounded person. A very similar background she comes from. She's always pushed herself in the right direction in her life. So that companionship that we have, that normalcy that we have at home, always keeps you in reality, brings you back to reality. And I think that is very, very important in everyone's life.
Amazing. Very, very good. Amazing. This gentleman sitting here, he's obviously revolutionized cricket, taken India to greater heights, but he's also someone who wants India not to be a cricketing nation. He wants India to be a sporting nation. So many of these flag bearers of the tricolour with me in the studio. On the way out, on a short little break, have a look at their achievements. We'll be right here. So much more fun planned. You don't want to miss this.
Selina Selva Kumar. 18-year-old table tennis prodigy Selina Selva Kumar has seized most of the opportunities that came her way in 2018 with a series. Ranked in the top 30 of the ITTF Under-21 women's category, Selena, with the help of the Virat Kohli Foundation, has set her sights on the pinnacle in 2019 after semi-final appearances in the Ivory Coast and Jordan. Sakshi Chaudhary won the gold medal in the 54kg category of the AIBA World Youth Championships in Budapest. The Bhiwani boxer, backed by the Virat Kohli Foundation, has all the ingredients to excel at the Olympics and is widely hailed as one of India's best prospects. Arjun Bhati. Arjun was only 8 years old when he got introduced to the game of golf. Since his debut, the Virat Kohli Foundation-backed golfer has pocketed 105 wins, representing India as a professional junior golfer in America, Malaysia and Thailand. In December 2018, Arjun beat golfers from 29 countries to win the US Kids Junior World Golf. Pooja Bishnoi from Jodhpur has set the stage on fire in athletics. She is a world record holder in the 3km under 10 age category. With dreams of becoming an Olympic champion in the 2024 Olympics, Pooja is backed by the Virat Kohli Foundation in realizing her ambition. Teenage shuttler Rituparna Panda has brought laurels to Odisha with a string of promising performances. She won both the singles and doubles All India Senior Ranking Badminton titles in 2018 and then entered the doubles semi-finals of the Tata Open in Mumbai. With such promising performances, we are surely going to hear a lot more of Rituparna in the years to come. Budding Karnataka golfer Avni Prashant, who started playing golf at the age of 3, has now blossomed into the #1 ranked golfer in the girls 11 to 13 years category. Avni won 3 titles in 2019 in the girls C category at the IGU circuit. The Virat Kohli Foundation affiliated athlete is definitely one for the future. Vadodara-based paddler Manush Shah at 14 was part of the Indian team that won the silver medal at the Asian Junior TT Championships. Manush then captured gold, silver and bronze medals at the Asian Cadet Championships and National Ranking Championships. Backed by the Virat Kohli Foundation, Manush is scorching his way to the top. Bareilly-born Divya Dayal has been hitting the bullseye since the age of 13. The budding compound archer won silver and bronze medals in the Asia Cup tournaments in Chinese Taipei and Manila. Her promising performances at several international competitions has prompted the Virat Kohli Foundation to take her under its wings to help her realize her dreams. Young paddler Swastika Ghosh has enjoyed a meteoric rise, smashing her way to the top with plenty of medals in several age group tournaments. The Mumbai girls' career turned a corner when at the age of just 9, she won the National Under-15 category title. In 2019, she won the silver medal in the UTT National Ranking TT Championships at Sonipat. You're surely going to hear a lot more of Swastika with the Virat Kohli Foundation backing her to the hilt. Playing tennis since the age of 8, Karman teamed up with India's top-ranked woman player Ankita Raina to win their maiden title, grabbing the doubles trophy at the $125,000 Taipei OEC Open in November 2018. She's only the 6th Indian woman to crack the top 200 rankings in singles. Adil is the youngest Indian golfer to turn pro. He represented India at the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta. He's currently competing on the Asian Tour circuit with his best finish of the season, coming tied 4th at the Classic Golf and Country Club International Championships.
Coming up on Blue Rising, Virat joins the class. It's Team Jatin versus Team Virat in the Tag Team Challenge.
Welcome back once again. Virat Kohli is alongside us. He's talking to these wonderful athletes from the Virat Kohli Foundation. Let's make you one of them now, Virat. Okay. We'll get you to sit next to Pooja. Pooja, smile, smile. No, you keep sitting. better. So cute. I've got a set of questions. Like I said, it's to do with Indian achievers across different sports. First one. Name the Indian female golfer who represented the nation in 2016 Brazil Olympics and the same year won the Ladies European Tour.
Aditya Ashok.
Clap, guys. Don't be jealous. Bonus question. Where is she from?
Bangalore.
That's an easy question.
That's an easy one. Straight next. PV Sindhu, the first Indian to win World Championship, had her father as her first coach. True or false? Yes? True. True? Yes. Right, but that is the trick question. It is false. Is it?
It's a tough question, though.
Okay, next one. Hima Das is nicknamed the Dhing Express.
It's true.
It's true, right? Okay, well done. Neeraj Chopra, India's young javelin thrower, as everyone knows. He won the gold in the IAAF World Under-20 Championships in 2016. And additionally, he created a World Under-20 record of his throw. Is that true or false?
That is true.
That is true?
Yeah.
Well done. Well done. 25-year-old Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia is the world leader in his 65 kilogram category.
True.
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 It is
Yes.
well done.
Yes. I got one answer, yes.
Manu Bhaker, the shooter, won her gold before she earned the right to vote. Yes?
In Youth Olympics.
Well done, Sakshi. Well done. Good job. Overall, I think this is a fantastic performance. It's good, and I'm hoping that a lot of people who are watching this back home also knew at least some, if not most, of the answers. Well done. Big round of applause for everyone. Back here once again, you're watching Blue Rising. Enough of the chitter-chatter, enough of the quizzing around. Now let's get down to business. It's a show that's dependent on sports, and that is exactly what we'll do. Virat Kohli alongside me here. We've got all our BKF athletes. And let me now introduce here onto the stage our very own rocker dude from Kabaddi. Sohail Chandu, come on in, buddy. Come on in.
Thank you very much.
Take it over.
Thank you.
I wanted you to play also, but you failed the yo-yo test.
Figured I might as well be the kebab mein haddi. Thanks, Jatin. Thanks a lot. But guys, we figured we've got a room full of Olympic hopefuls, budding athletes in the house, so we might as well get them off their chairs, get them playing. So we've got the VKF challenge, which is the tag team challenge. So we've got 3 essential sports. We're starting with the putting. Got to make 1 putt, head across, tag your next person in, darts, 2 darts in, and then over to the football, keepy-uppies, 3 keepy-uppies, and then score. Okay. First one, I've got the tag team challenge timer going. First one to the end wins it. Simple enough.
Okay.
And if there's a tie at the end, most boundaries. No, just joking. No most boundaries wins. We're done with that as well. So time for the toss. I know Virat, you have a love-hate relationship with the toss. So do you want to let Jatin pick the team first, or do you want to start picking the team first?
No, let him choose this.
Sabru, all yours.
The thing is, I'll pick someone and they'll be like, no, don't. We don't want to be in your team, man. Right?
Go ahead.
Okay. This is got some nervous faces there. Which way are you going?
Golf first.
Golf first.
Huh? Like,
come
no,
on.
why me, man? Why me? It's okay. Getting you onto the winning side.
And Virat, there's Arjun.
Okay.
And there's Adil.
I'll go with Arjun.
Okay, perfect. And Adil, you're going to be the caddy for both of them. Pick the right line for them as well. So we'll get you in the mix there.
Have you seen our greens?
Yeah. And Virat, over to you for the darts as well.
Darts. Pooja?
Oh, the pocket rocket. Come on, Pooja.
कुछ नहीं है ऐसी.
Jatin, we've got the pocket dynamo. Which way are you going?
I'll go for the skyscraper.
Oh, the skyscraper. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Okay, so we've got the teams.
Okay.
And in typical Delhi style, so we've got 2 Delhi boys here. We're going to go tip-top-toe.
Okay.
For the toss.
इतनी इंग्लिश में दिल्ली में कभी नहीं toss नहीं. शुरू. You go first.
Tip, top, tip, top, tip, top, tip, top, tip. Okay, Sabru, do you want to chase or do you want to start things off?
I'll put them into bat.
Okay.
You guys go for it.
Sweet. Okay. All right, so we've got Virat's team up against Jatin's team. The tag team challenge is set to begin. I've got the timer going as well. Golfers, are you ready? Are you ready, Pooja? Virat, all set? Here we go. On 3, 2, 1, go. And we're off. Oh, he's made the first putt. Tag her in. Oh, yes.
एक और.
Yes. Tag. Oh, yeah. We've got a benchmark. You've got the benchmark in. Great start, guys. Great start. Good to go. And go. Oh, she's made the putt. Tag her in.
Nice one.
Oh, nice! She's in. She's in.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! And the scores are in. The time is in. 12 seconds for the win. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Thank you very much. And a big thank you to all of you watching this at home. If you're sitting at home, you're not here, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're a believer. And who knows, one day you'd probably be with us right here on this show. Once again, everyone, come. Let's get in for a selfie moment. We will now make way so you can get it with Virat.